Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial: how to fix Hisense Roku TV black screen. If the TV will not respond to any controls from the remote or TV buttons, you can restart the TV to resolve the issue. Ensure the power to the socket is turned off. Remove the plug from the socket. Leave the TV without power for 60 seconds. Insert the plug into the socket. Ensure the power is turned on. On your remote, press the standby button. The TV should now turn on and perform as normal. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.